Not sick with the virus, should you be wearing a face mask in public? Some experts now say you should every time you leave your house, even if it's just for a walk. Channel 2's Bill Barajas is live in the Texas Medical Center tonight with more on that and what doctors are saying and the type of mask that could help protect both you and your family. Right, Bill?
That's right. When they're talking about masks, they're not talking about N95 masks. They're talking about cloth masks. Now, these N95 masks are the ones that healthcare professionals use because they add extra protection, and obviously they are on the front lines. Now, we spoke to a woman who makes those cloth masks free of charge just to give people sort of a peace of mind as they head out the door if they have to every day. The debate is ongoing tonight. The topic, whether or not healthy individuals need to wear masks. And it seems the CDC may be changing those recommendations. Some here in Houston are doing what they can to make masks for everyday people.
They're not the N95. They don't have an extra filtration. But what my mask does, it allows someone else. It allows our healthcare professionals to be able to have the masks that they need.
Kat Mack, a photographer by trade with extra time on her hands, says she realized there was a need, dusted off her sewing machine, and went to work. She makes about 30 custom masks a day.
If you're able to have something over your face and protect everybody else from your cough or sneeze, I think that is super important.
Health officials, including Dr. Anthony Fauci, who you've seen standing by President Donald Trump during press conferences, was asked about masks for everyday people. The biggest concern for changing guidelines is a fear that N95 masks for those who really need them would be unavailable.
When we get in a situation where we have enough masks, I believe there will be some very serious consideration about more broadening this recommendation of using masks.
The growing theory, though, according to officials, is that the homemade mask would help reduce the risk of unknowingly spreading the virus through coughs, sneezes, even yawns, or simple conversation. Mack believes it's about giving Houstonians peace of mind.
If you're in public, then these are the great thing for you.
And again, this is a very active conversation and one they will no doubt continue having through the coming weeks, but it's unclear right now when they may make a decision. Live from the Medical Center, Bill Barajas, KPRC, Channel 2 News.